So as we have discussed in last lecture, this is a O2C cycle, order to cash cycle, sales order, outbound delivery, PGI, billing document, accounting and payment receipt. These are the processes in which order to cash sale cycle we do. Inquiry and quotation is also the part, but it is a pre-sale activity. It is not a pure sales activity. So to do this all activities, we need to create a sales order. First means we need order from our customer, and to create a sales order, we need some organization structure in SAP SD. So organization structure means so some data in structured manner. We need that, and with the help of that particular data, we will proceed to create other documents. So first of all, we will start with the customizing. Customizing is SPRO. So transaction code is SPRO. This is a standard transaction code provided by SAP. Every time if you need to go in the customizing, you need to enter this only transaction code SPRO and press enter. So we will go in customizing and you can execute the project. So under this, you have this option SAP reference IMG. IMG means implementation guide. So this is the SAP reference implementation guide. So this implementation guide we use for the new implementation as well as we use for support or any all kind of project, all kind of config. We use this SAP reference implementation guide. So to create org structure, when we are working on any new project, or if you are working on any current support project, if you received any inquiry from your customer, so I want to create new sales area, I want to set up new sales area, I want to open new sales organization, and in any place I have generated one new plant, or if there any new setup in SAP, the both scenarios you need to maintain the enterprise structure. So under enterprise structure, there are two basic things. One is definition and another one is assignment. So what is the definition? So we are defining the enterprise structure in definition part, and we will do the assignment in assignment part. So assignment means what? So we will correlate each other. Means if we have created sales or distribution channel and division, we will correlate each other to create a separate sales areas. So first of all, we will go into definition part. Under the definition part, we have financial accounting. So financial accounting, controlling and material management. These are the part. The financial accounting is a part of FI module. Controlling is a part of CO module. Logistic general is under SAP SD module. Sales and distribution is a pure SAP SD part. Then logistic execution, some part is in SAP SD and some is in MM and WM. Plant maintenance is a part of plant maintenance PM module, and human resource management is a part of HR module. So the company code is creation is a part of FI module, but in this particular server, we if we need to create a company code, we can create independently. Means we can copy any standard company code and create new one. So first of all, if I want to copy any old company code and create new, I need to go here, copy, delete, check company code. Here I can click on this copy object. Hello.
Sir, on enterprise structure, do we have to double click or enter?
No, there is a arrow. You need to click on that arrow. Then it will.
Okay. Then definition.
So here we have list of company codes. So we can copy any standard company code and make our customized company. Here in from I have maintained this Z100. Here I am creating SP01. Here system will ask you the reference company code currency as INR. So do you want to means do you want this currency or do you want another currency? So I am pressing yes, INR. So continue. I want to transfer all number ranges. Now I am saving this into one request. Now this is the number range related warning messages. I'm pressing continue button. The company code Z100 is copying into ZSD1. Now it's done. So we have company code, it is SP01. Basically, company code is created by FI module. This is not an activity of SAP SD module. All errors and all everything related to company code will be handled by FI module. This is only for information. I have created one company code. But when you working in a company, at that time you not need to create company code. FI team will take care of this. Then we need to create sales organization. So sales organization is a part of SAP SDB. Now we need to exit from financial account. So if you want to go into that, you need to click on that arrow. Same, if you want to minimize that, click on the same arrow. Then click on SAP sales and distribution. Define, copy, delete, and check sales organization. So here you also get two options. One is define sales organization and copy, delete, check sales organization. If you click on copy, delete, check sales organization, all data related to sales organization, including numbering, including all distribution channel, all assignments, you will get the data. But where means we need to get a training of SAP SD module. So that's why I am not copying all data, only I will copy the sales organization and maintain all data manually, because you will get the detailed picture of sales organization assignments. So here I will copy any sales organization is available. So I will copy ST01 Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. The statistical currency is INR. Here I will also change the name.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, could you please little slow down? We are not getting too much question. And initially you put some SPRO, and we actually don't know about SPRO or anything right now.
Okay. Okay. Means you are not getting SPRO, or you are not getting what I am doing. Means screen is visible.
Firstly, we didn't.
Okay.
Firstly, what is SPRO? I really don't know about. And
Okay.
the close.
Okay. Okay. So SPRO is a SAP reference implementation guide.
So do we have to memorize all these shortcuts?
Yes. This transaction code, SPRO transaction code, you need to memorize. This is the important transaction code, SPRO. You need to memorize
So
this
for
transaction.
how many things it goes?
What?
For how many things it goes with?
There are so many transaction codes. You need to memorize these all transaction codes. There are not lot of transaction codes, but most of the transaction code you need to memorize. But when you memorize the SPRO, you will get all these data. Under SPRO, you will get this enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure, there is a definition. Under definition, you have sales and distribution. In sales and distribution, you need to go define, copy, delete, check sales organization. Here, when you need to define sales organization, you need to click here, define sales org, and copy anyone and create your own sales org.
After define sales organization, where we have to go? Choose activity. Okay.
Yes. Define, copy, delete, check. Here you have to go in
Then
choose activity. Here you need to select this define sales organization. Double click
after
here.
that.
Double click here. And then select any standard sales organization. Yes, I have selected 8000 and copied one new to SD01. So I am using SD01 for your batch. Means there are so many sales organization you can see here. So different SD consultants or different batches, they are already using different sales organization, like ZGT1. Here is your ZGT3. These all are already being used. So I have SD01. So you means in our batch, I think there are 4 members. So one can start with SD02. Another one can start with SD03, 04, and 05. So that will be means track to you also and me also, means we can track that SD the sales organization, all data is starting with SD that is relevant to our batch.
Sir, by which reference they have given the number, the sales organization number, like CPD1?
There is no logic. There is no logic. Actually, this is only for the reference. Means the company who is using that particular SAP, that company can give any their own logic to maintain this sales organization. The name is based on the company name, but this name numbering convention, it is don't have any logic.
Okay, which might be numerical, alphabetical,
Numerical,
anything.
alphabetical, but this is only 4 character. This is alphanumeric or numeric, but it
Okay.
is only 4 characters.
That above Mahindra and Mahindra,
Okay.
there's a company, Pharma Corporation, which is having only 2 digits, RX.
Yes, minimum you can have 1 character, but
Okay, so
maximum you can have
maximum
four.
number is 4.
Maximum number is 4, right?
Okay, so SAP won't give the automatic numbering. We'll have to put any number
No,
under
no,
the
no,
sales
no, no. Actually,
organization.
this is not a transaction. This is a customization. So as I have said earlier, we are doing the customizing. We are not doing any kind of transaction. Means we are not an end user. We are a consultant. So as a consultant, if we need to create any company code, any sales org, so this is based on SAP is also providing the numbering. SAP has provided this standard number 001. If you see 0001, this is the standard number provided by SAP. Sales Organization Germany. If you go with the fresh SAP system, you will only get this sales organization number, and the user means the user company will copy or the consultant will copy this standard and create his own sales organization with any number and any name. Miss, are you talking about number range, means invoice numbering, or are you talking about sales organization numbers?
Sales organization number.
No. So SAP only give this one number, and based on this, we can create our own any number as we require.
Okay.
Then we need to create distribution channel. So first we have created sales organization. The sales organization is ST01. Now we need to create distribution channel. So what is the distribution channel? The distribution channel is channel from which we are delivering the goods to our customer. So if you go here, distribution channel, double click on different distribution channel, you will get the detail like 01, 02, 03, 04. There are so many distribution channels. One is direct sale, retail, indirect sale. So there are so many factory sale is there, service is there. So from this distribution channel, you can select which is required to your company and you can assign to your sales organization. So online sale, direct sale is also there. So I am selecting this 01, or I have created some for another batch like DM is for domestic sale, or we can also say direct sale. DM. And here you not need to add any address or any details. This is a simple distribution channel. You can select this, copy and create your own. So this is the domestic sale. Then EX, if you select EX is for export sale. If you are doing online, so for online sale you can select anyone. So here is the online sale, RD is online sale. So these are the distribution channel, means from which channel you are distributing your material to your customer. Then division. So to create a division, you need to go in logistic general. So this is not a part of sales and distribution. This is a part of logistic general. So here you will get define valuation area, plant, define location, right? Last you will get define copy delete check division. So please note down this note. Logistic general, define copy delete check division. Here double click. So you can select the division like 02 for motorcycle. In 09 you can select automotive parts. So as we are taking the companies Mahindra and Mahindra, so we can take motorcycle for like the two-wheelers, then automotive parts, then for four-wheeler we can select car or any four-wheelers. This is a four-wheeler. 1D is for four-wheeler. So we can select this. So which divisions are required for us? We can select this. These are already created. That's why we are selecting this division. But this is not available. So four-wheeler is not available. This is deleted by someone. So what can we do? So this is okay. We cannot deliver because this is assigned somewhere. So if there is some transaction happened with that particular division or distribution channel, we cannot delete this. So now we have taken these three divisions. This is domestic sale, export, and online sale. Take division, motorcycle, four-wheeler, spare part. Then we need to create sales office. So again, we need to minimize this logistic general and we need to go in sales and distribution. So under sales and distribution, here we have maintain sales office. So here you can see there are multiple sales officers are already created. So if you want to create new, you can create new entry SD01 created by the name means user ID will automatically come here. Here you can give the name Pune sales office title. So as I already told, so sales office is the physical address means this is a geographical address. So this will have the address details and this will have the actual the office in your premises. Region is 80. Same. So we have created the sales office. So if you have sales office in other locations like Mumbai, Gurgaon, Chennai, Bangalore, you can create multiple sales offices. But for only training purpose, I am creating only one sales office because there is no need to create multiple sales offices. The sales office and sales group both are optional when you are doing the SD cycle. So I will show you later on how these are not mandatory, these are the optional. In sales group. So sales group is the group of people, means group of salesperson, or there is any manager who handle the 3 or 4 or 2, one or more sales people. So that is the group of salesperson. We call that sales group. So that can be the person or any group. So ZST we can create. Now we need to create a plant storage location. So plant will be created by module. So here I have mentioned the note. Plant creation and definition is the activity of module. So SD team not need to create plant. Here we will create plant because we need separate plant for our training session. So I will close this sales and distribution node. I will go into logistic general. Here I have option define, copy, delete, check, plant. Here I have option define plant. So need to double click here. Then select any standard plant. I will select 8,000. There is not need to select 8,000. You can select anyone. Then I will copy. So you need to copy by selecting this button, copy as, or you can press F6 of your keyboard. Plant is ST01. Mahindra and Mahindra. Then save. Now we need to create storage location. Storage location is a purely comes under the module, material management module. Here you have the option maintain storage location. So which plant I have created? So I have created this plant SD01. So against this plant SD01, here I need to mention the plant and I need to click on continue button. Under this storage location, I need to click on new entries. Here I will get the storage location ST01. It's the central store. So from this central store or finished goods store. So I can select anyone, finished store or central store. So sales will always happen from finished store or central store. You can see in system there are multiple storage location might be already available, but that like raw material storage location, quality storage location, production related storage location. But these are not relevant for SAP SD. So SAP SD related only one or two storage location like finished goods storage location or central storage location. That will be the part of SAP SD. So I am selecting this finished goods storage location. And again, this is the activity of SAP module. This is not an activity of SAP SD module. Then shipping point. So I will create shipping point. I need to go back. Again, I need to go in logistic execution. So at starting, I have said that in logistic execution, some part is related to SAP SD and some part is related to SAP warehouse management, SAP WM. So the warehouse creation, it's all loading point, transportation planning point. These are the part of SAP WM module, but the shipping point creation and loading point creation is a part of SAP SD module. So now I am defining shipping point. So again, I will copy any standard shipping point. ST01 2.9. So here factory calendar is must. If the factory calendar is missing, then system will give you the error. So check the factory calendar is available or not. Then maintain the address for your shipping point and save. ST01 is my shipping point. Then loading point. So loading point is only 2 digit. So I need to go here, maintain loading point. So as we check storage location, we have created under plant. So shipping point means loading point we need to create under a shipping point or receiving point. SD01 is my shipping point. Under this shipping point, I need to create different loading points. So loading point 01 and 02. Loading point 1 and loading point. So loading point means what? So from where we are loading our goods into the truck. So shipping means what? From where we are shipping the materials means the truck. Where are the truck and our the finished goods is located, and from there we are transporting that particular finished good to our customer. And under that particular shipping point, we have specific point. There we load the truck, enter the good in that particular truck by using forklift, by manually, or with the help of any automation process. So we are loading that particular material into the truck. That will be our loading point. So this is the definition of org structure. So now you can ask me the question. Means we have done with definition part. So before going into the assignment part, I need to take means all of you are okay with this speed, or if you need to slow down the speed, or if you understood everything, anyone is not understood anything. Anyone have any doubt? Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, if we are a supplier and one new customer came to us, so do we have to make this all process every time, or just we are customizing?
Actually, I am not. I haven't got your point. If we have suppliers.
Yes, like we are a supplier.
Okay.
Consider if we are a supplier and a new customer came to us.
Okay.
So every time if we supply material, so every time we do have to process, make this process.
No, no. Sales organization, and under the sales organization we have distribution channel and division. So this is our company, means Mahindra and Mahindra. Which is our sales organization, Mahindra and Mahindra. We are distributing material to the domestic customer or direct sales. Our product division is two-wheeler. So when we are selling the material to our customer, so company code is not required. We require sales organization, distribution channel, and division. So from this sales area, from this area means Mahindra and Mahindra, direct sale and two-wheeler. So this sales area, we are supplying the material to our customer. So when we go into the system in SAP, so to create sales order, we have transaction VA01. So when you go here in VA01, you need to maintain here order type. So order type is OR. So this is a standard order type. So you need to maintain sales organization, distribution channel, and division. So if you go here, if you can find multiple sales organization. Means if you have one company code, you can have one sales organization or multiple sales organization. If you are working in only in India, you can have only the India sales organization for India. If you are working means if your company is MNC, so that might have the multiple sales organization for sales organization for India, sales organization for USA, sales organization for Canada, for Belgium, for China. So if you have company in multiple countries, so the particular sales organization might have in different company countries. So that is a one-time activity. You need to create a sales organization, distribution channel, and division. So I have created the sales organization SD01. I have created distribution channel. So I need to click distribution. The DM is domestic sale or direct sale, which is the distribution channel, and the division is four-wheeler. So this we have for two-wheeler. This is my division. So this is my sales area. So next part will be the sales area. So in this assignment, you need to set up sales area. Here, if you can check point number 4, here we need to set up the sales area. When we do the setup of sales area, so this error will not fail. So now what error we are getting? Sales area SD1, DM and 02 is not exist. So to remove this error, we need to do the config in background, and this config we called assignment. So this assignments we need to do in SAP. Did you got the point? So now we will do the assignments. So first we will assign sales organization to company code. So we will close this definition part, go into assignment in sales and distribution. Assign sales organization to company code. So when we have created sales organization, so that sales organization will automatically come in this particular config. So we need to search our sales organization SD01. Here need to add our company code. So SD01 is our company code. I have added. I am getting this error. Someone has created this company code. So this is our assignment. Sales organization is SD01 and this is our company code SD01. Then, so why we have done this assignment? Because what we are doing here in sales organization, distribution and division, so that will be linked with the company code, and the company code is related to the FI module. So which entry we done in SAP SD, so FI will check that entry, means FI, the entry will link with the finance module, means related to payment, related to billing, related to everything, that our sales organization is linked with the company code. Then we need to assign sales organization to distribution channel. So we have sales organization SD01 and distribution channel which we have created earlier. These are the three distribution channels. So we will go in second part, assign distribution channel to sales organization. Click on new entries. Sales organization is SD01. Distribution channel, which we have DM. So my sales organization is Mahindra and Mahindra, and I am selling to the domestic sale. So I have sales organization, same. So same sales organization can also sell for export. I am doing export sale. So I am using same sales organization and I am doing RD. RD is an online sale. So three type of sale I can do with one sales. Not a three type of sale, multiple type of sale I can do with one sales organization. Then assign division to sales organization. So new entry, sales organization SD01 and division which we have created. These are the three divisions: motorcycle, spare part, and four-wheeler. So this is my sales organization. So I'm assigning division to the sales organization. So division is 02. So motorcycle division is assigned to my sales organization. Then I have assigned 09. 09 is the automotive parts, is spare parts. And 1D is a four-wheeler division. So these three divisions I have assigned to my sales organization. So now I need to set up sales area. So based on this sales organization, distribution channel and division, I can create sales area. Means there are some area where I can sell my material. So if you see the comments over here, so one sales organization can be assigned to one company code. So one sales organization is only, what can be is only असाइन टू वन कंपनी कोड. सो एक सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हम एक ही कंपनी कोड को असाइन करते हैं. देन sales organization to distribution channel. So one sales organization can be assigned to multiple distribution channel, and one distribution channel can be assigned to multiple sales organization. Means here we have one to many ratio. Means sorry, many to many मतलब एक sales organization एक distribution channel को आप assign कर दोगे, same sales और दूसरे distribution channel को assign कर दोगे, and that same distribution channel you can assign to another sales organization. But here you have many to many assignment, like here one to one, you have many to many. Same sales organization and division, here also you can maintain many to many assignment. Now we need to set up the sales area. So each sales organization, distribution channel and division can be assigned to each sales or distribution channel and division. So here we have multiple assignments. So I am getting this message. The data is logged by user SAP13 and can be displayed only. Do you want to display the log data? So if I want to display this data, I can press here, yes. If I want to remove this user from this particular transaction, so I need to copy this user ID. I need to click on no. I have one transaction code. This M12. I can put this user ID here. Press enter and select this line and delete. So now I can enter in that particular screen. So here I can click on new entry. So sales organization is SD01, distribution channel, EM, and division is 2. So this is my one sales area. Sales organization, distribution channel and division. So I can sell the material from Mahindra and Mahindra via domestic sales channel to, and which material? Motorcycle. I will save this. So I can maintain multiple permutation combination, like these are the distribution channels. These are the permutation in this same. So इतने सारे परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन आप सेल्स एरिया में यूज कर सकते हो. तो आपका एक जो भी मटेरियल होगा, ये सेम सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से डोमेस्टिक में सेल कर सकते हो मोटरसाइकिल, सेम मटेरियल एक्सपोर्ट सेल कर सकते हो मोटरसाइकिल का ही, या फिर ऑनलाइन सेल कर सकते हो। सिर्फ डोमेस्टिक में आप ऑटोमोटिव के पार्ट सेल कर सकते हो, एक्सपोर्ट में भी आप ऑटोमोटिव के पार्ट सेल कर सकते हो, देन ऑनलाइन में भी आप ऑटोमोटिव के पार्ट सेल कर सकते हो। देन डोमेस्टिक में आप फोर व्हीलर सेल कर सकते हो, एक्सपोर्ट में फोर व्हीलर, एंड ऑनलाइन सेल विथ फोर व्हीलर। So these are the different type of sales areas from where you can sell your product. So these are the different type of permutation combination। और ये आपको बार बार मतलब रियल टाइम में जब आप वर्क करोगे तो बार बार ये आपको सेलेक्ट मतलब क्रिएट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। दैट इज द वन टाइम एक्टिविटी। एसपीआरओ में जो भी होगा आपका कॉन्फिग, दैट विल बी योर वन टाइम एक्टिविटी। बट आपको फिर से कब करना है, अगर आपको कुछ नया प्रोजेक्ट आता है, जैसे आपको रोल आउट का प्रोजेक्ट आ गया है, या फिर कुछ सेपरेट यानी नया प्लांट ओपन हुआ है आपकी कंपनी में। सो एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम यू नीड टू सेट अप दिस ऑल सेल्स एरिया एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू नीड टू सेट अप। या फिर आपकी कोई नई डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप इंट्रोड्यूस हुई है, जैसे कि कोई नई प्रोसेस एज पर द गवर्नमेंट नॉर्म कुछ नया प्रोसेस डेवलप हुआ है। सो एट दैट टाइम यू नीड टू डू दिस थिंग्स इन द एसएपी एसपीआरओ। So apart from that, you need to work in normal like in front end screen. So sales area setup तक हमारा पोर्शन हो गया है।